Hi, I'm Devin from Vive Health, and this is just a quick video on how to set up the Arctic Flex Ice Cup Massager. The Ice Cup Massager, each one will come into two parts, the actual cup and the grip ring. Now on the inside of the grip ring, you'll see these little spikes, these little teeth. When the water rises up and freezes, these little teeth will hold the ice block in place when you're massaging. So you'll start by fitting the two together, getting the grip ring inside the cup. You want to create a nice tight seal there. You take your water and you'll pour it in here until the water covers the teeth, the little spikes inside this grip ring. You'll then take this, keep it as level as possible, stick that in the freezer for at least 3 to 4 hours until that's completely frozen all the way through. Now, once that's been in the freezer, like I said, for at least 3 to 4 hours until it's completely frozen solid, you'll just twist, sort of loosen up the connection there. And there's your ice. Grip it by the ring, massage as needed. Fit that together. Once you're done, stick that back in the freezer, and you're all set. It's as easy as that.